So we've been working on this really cool table for Michelle, and she had a design that she wanted to put epoxy inside the legs, which really we have not done before. And she got the picture off Pinterest, so who the hell knows if that's even structurally sound. So I talked to her yesterday, and I just want to go all wood because, I mean, the last thing I want is for this heavy table to fall on the floor. So we figured we'd take these legs, and I'm sure Wisebond's gonna enjoy this, by the way. They're gonna sponsor this portion of the video. And my friend Chuck in the back there, we call him Wreck-It Ralph. He breaks a lot of things in the shop, and now we give him an opportunity to kind of like you can see, he's already standing by the cement. He's like itching to do this, so. We're gonna see how much weight we can put on this right now. Is that 2,000?
2,000.
I think those legs are good. So I'm actually pretty surprised there's over 2,000 pounds on those joints there. And I can't believe it, to be quite honest with you. They should have, would you guys would have said it would have probably broke?
It would have blown out.
I had my doubts.
Yeah? No, you didn't. You built it. You knew.
Put another 180 pounds on.
And he throws it.
Oh, yeah, that went smooth.